Misinformation versus disinformation quiz. Choose the best answer for each question. 1. What is misinformation? A. False information shared intentionally. B. False information shared accidentally. C. True information shared secretly. D. A type of rumor. The answer is B. False information shared accidentally. 2. What is disinformation? A joke taken too seriously. B. False information shared on purpose to mislead. C. An error in grammar. D. A random opinion. The answer is B. False information shared on purpose to mislead. 3. Which situation shows misinformation? A. A blogger intentionally creating fake health advice. B. A friend sharing a wrong fact they truly believed. C. A group inventing lies to influence an election. D. A comedian exaggerating a story. The answer is B. A friend sharing a wrong fact they truly believed. 4. Which situation shows disinformation? A. Someone misreading a statistic. B. Someone spreading a rumor without knowing it's false. C. A troll group creating fake posts to manipulate people. D. A. Student forgetting their homework. The answer is C. A troll group creating fake posts to manipulate people. 5. This is an example of misinformation. A. Sharing an unverified news link thinking it's real. B. Creating a fake headline to create fear. C. Manipulating a photo to deceive people. D. Posting false data during a campaign. The answer is sharing an unverified news link thinking it's real. 6. This is an example of disinformation. A. A typo in a news article. B. A mistaken fact shared by a teacher. C. A social media account purposely spreading lies. D. A friend mispronouncing a name. The answer is C. A social media account purposely spreading lies. 7. Which keyword can help you remember misinformation? A. Mistake. B. Malicious. C. Manipulation. D. Marketing. The answer is A. Mistake. 8. Which keyword can help you remember disinformation? A. Distracted. B. Disappointed. C. Dishonest. D. Disconnected. The answer is C. Dishonest. 9. Which is most likely misinformation? A. A person accidentally repeating an outdated scientific fact. B. A coordinated plan to spread false narratives. C. A government agency altering reports to deceive. D. A hacker making fake screenshots. The answer is A. A person accidentally repeating an outdated scientific fact. 10. Which is most likely disinformation? A. Someone honestly misunderstanding a statistic. B. A blogger misquoting a source by accident. C. A fake article created to damage someone's reputation. D. A student sharing a rumor they thought was true. The answer is C. A fake article created to damage someone's reputation. Great job! Up next, watch out for this next video.